Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about a product that's been making waves for its impressive color payoff and silky smooth application. If you're a fan of bold yet blendable blushes that last all day, you'll want to hear about the KIKO Milano Smart Color Blush in shade 09. Whether you're looking to add a subtle flush or build it up for something more dramatic, this powder blush promises to do it all. This blush claims to offer intense color release with a buildable finish, allowing you to control how much pigment you apply. The formula is designed to deliver pure color with each swipe, thanks to its ultrafine texture, and is dermatologically tested for safe use on all skin types. It also boasts a micro powder component to ensure even application, which makes it an ideal pick for makeup lovers who want smooth, seamless results. In terms of how this blush performs in a real-world setting, I found that it was incredibly easy to work with. The texture is light and airy, and blending is a breeze. I've used it in both natural daylight and artificial lighting, and the color always looks smooth and radiant. There's something about the way this blush melts into the skin that makes it almost foolproof, which is something I always look for in a product. Whether applied lightly for a soft wash of color or built up for more intensity, it holds its own. Now, let's talk about the pros. The buildability of this blush is a standout feature. You're in control of how intense or soft you want the color to be, and I love that flexibility. The pigment is rich, which means you don't need to pile it on to get that pop of color. The texture is buttery smooth and it blends effortlessly, which makes it perfect for beginners and pros alike. The wear time is also impressive. I found that it stayed put throughout the day without fading or patching. As for the cons, there are a couple of things worth mentioning. While it blends beautifully, it does have a tendency to be a bit dusty when you first dip your brush in, so be careful of any fallout. The packaging, though sleek, could feel a bit more secure. It's not flimsy, but it's not the most robust either. When it comes to value for money, the KIKO Milano Smart Color Blush is right on target for what it delivers. At its price point, it offers professional quality pigment and performance without the high-end price tag. For a blush with such intense color payoff, the price feels justified. I'd say it's a solid choice for anyone who wants to step up their blush game without breaking the bank. Comparing this blush to others in the same category, it's certainly competitive. It rivals some higher-end blushes in terms of performance, but without the hefty price tag. The pigment intensity, smooth texture, and blendability put it in a league with pricier options, making it a great choice for those who are looking for a more budget-friendly option without compromising on quality. Looking at the build quality, the blush is sturdy and the packaging does its job well enough. It's compact, so it's easy to throw in your makeup bag for on-the-go touch-ups. While the design doesn't feel luxury, it definitely looks sleek and sophisticated. As for longevity, it holds up well throughout the day. I did a few wear tests, and the color stayed vibrant from morning until late afternoon, with no noticeable fading. The blush's formula seems to adapt to your skin, giving you a natural, long-lasting finish. Now, I haven't had direct interaction with KIKO Milano's customer service, but based on the brand's reputation, they're known for being responsive and helpful in case you have any issues with your products. If you're looking for similar products, there are a few alternatives at different price points. For instance, some drugstore blushes like Maybelline's Fit Me Blush or Milani's Baked Blush provide comparable pigmentation and blendability, but at a lower price. So what's the final verdict? The KIKO Milano Smart Color Blush is definitely a winner in my book. It offers intense color, excellent blendability, and long wear time, all at a price that won't break the bank. If you're someone who loves versatile blushes that work for both everyday looks and more dramatic makeup moments, this one's a great option to consider. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this blush, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And if you're ready to pick it up, the link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.